Hey everyone, so here's a tutorial on how to download your Instagram profile picture or anyone's profile picture in full size. I stumbled across this method because I actually deleted the photo I uploaded as my profile picture and there was no way of me getting it back, and you can't just go right click download and save it from here because the resolution is extremely tiny. But there's a way to save your or anyone's profile picture in full size. So what you want to do is you want to go on this website called izoom.com. Now there are a lot of websites that do this. All you have to do is go on Google and look up Instagram profile picture full size and it'll give you plenty of options, but this one has worked the best for me. And you simply just type up the name of the Instagram. So I'm just going to type up mine and select it and just press enter and it'll start loading. If you scroll down, there you go. It's going to give that profile picture in full size. And basically you can just right click and save it from here. And that's it for the tutorial, you guys. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys next time.